Welcome to EQ, DaVinci's electric quartz system. Built around a responsive touchscreen, EQ puts full control directly at your fingertips. No app required, no pairing, no interruptions. Power EQ on or off with 5 clicks of the command button. The screen activates instantly, letting you explore modes and settings before anything heats. The touchscreen is the heart of EQ. In precision mode, the control screen displays session timing and live system response in real time. Swipe to enter Smart Path mode, EQ's automated session system. Select a path, press and hold to begin, and EQ manages the session automatically. Smart Path evolves smoothly from start to finish, without manual adjustments. The settings menu allows full customization directly on the device. Adjust lighting effects, interface backgrounds, session timing for both modes, temperature units, tutorials, FAQs, and device status, all without an app. To load, open the carb cap to reveal the crucible. Cold start before heating for smoother flavor, or hot start once warm for denser vapor. EQ supports both consistently. Airflow is controlled through the carb cap and refined by the removable jacuzzi bubbler, allowing you to build your own rig-style setup. EQ's heater system is simple and modular. The magnetic connection protects internal contacts, while interchangeable quartz crucible allow easy maintenance without replacing the heater. EQ is powered by a high-capacity internal battery, delivering up to 50 sessions on a full charge depending on usage. USB-C charging with pass-through support lets you keep using EQ while it charges. Available in 4 colors with DaVinci's signature brushed metal finish, EQ